Hello, Dr. Dewald. My name is Joe Sales Jr., and I'm from Envy Digital Solutions, a digital marketing agency. Now, I know this video is a little bit different, but I happen to have been doing some research on chiropractors in the Antelope Valley, and I came across your website. Do you want to know what is separating you from the top competitors on the Google results page? Well, I have some suggestions for you, so I figured I would make a quick video and share a few tips on things that can help you beat out this competition and easily get more patients. So let's get into this. The things that I wanted to discuss here are your website and website content, citations, and backlinks. So having a quick look at your website, I will tell you you're doing some really outstanding things by having links to your social pages, by having book an appointment link above your navigation area, by having your phone number above the navigation area, having a review request button on your navigation bar, right next to your navigation bar, and in your homepage menu, having a call to action for learning more about your business. Your website gives a light and airy impression to it with the person doing yoga and the yoga images. Now, let's have a look at a couple of other things about your website. When I look at your website from the way Google would look at your website, it sees that your site performs very well, which is very interesting when you consider the fact that you have a video on your site. So congratulations, you're doing a really good job with your website. Google likes to see 1,500 words on the home page. And what I found with your site is you have 295 words in your homepage. I might suggest thinking of some ways that you can add more content to the website, and I'll discuss that here in a few minutes. But when you compare your site to your competitors, I was seeing 380 words, 687, 707 words. And again, Google recommends that you get as many as 1,500 words or more on your page, and there's some reasons for that. They also like to see about 500 words on the subpages. So basically, the search engines read your website content looking for services you offer, areas you're targeting, and anything else that will help Google position your site in the search ranking. So you want to have plenty of unique, informative, and authoritative content because it helps Google with the EAT status for your business, which is your expertise, your experience, your authoritativeness, and your trustworthiness. Because this is what visitors are looking for. Google does EAT status to those looking for your services. So now let's have a look at citations. Citations have a lot to do with the Google Local 3-pack. And when I look at your business under the Google search, I first look at the 3-pack and I find that your business often comes up very near the top, if not at the top. And so in these searches here, Best Chiropractor in Palmdale and Palmdale Chiropractor, if I click on more places, I'll find that your website is going to come up right here, which means you're very close to being able to break into staying in the 3-pack. And with that being the case, the difference between your website and the next might be as simple as adding more citations to your website. The more citations you have that are demonstrating links to stronger chambers of commerce and other directories and other websites gives your site more authoritative value. And so if you worked on building citations, chances are very high that you will improve your status in the Google 3-pack. The last area that I wanted to discuss about your website is your linking juice and backlinks. And in essence, Google ranks your site partially by the backlinks to your site. Those backlinks give your site link juice, which boosts your domain strength. And so you're rated at 1.21 with 7 keywords that are being ranked in search engines. And you have 169 backlinks with 48 domains linking back to your site. That's a very good position to be in, especially as a local chiropractic business. There are going to be businesses like Universal Pain in your niche area that actually have more domain strength. Like this particular one, Universal Pain has a domain strength of 3.08. They have 435 backlinks and 111 linking domains. So my recommendation would be if you can do blogging, you'll be able to build more backlinks to your site. And again, you're working towards improving your EAT. your experience, expertise, authority, and trustworthiness. Well, that's it. I hope this has been educational for you. So once again, we went over the factors that will improve your homepage, like adding more words. We discussed getting more citations. If you can get over 200 and even up to 300 citations, that can help put you over the top in the Google 3-pack. And then you want to work on improving the link juice to your website. If you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google. So if you'd like to know more about how you can outperform your competition, then please reach out to me so we can chat. I have lots more tips to help you grow your business. If not, I hope you can put these tips to work for you. All I ask is that you give me some feedback on this video if you don't mind. Thank you for watching and have a great day.